Understanding mailing list, an essential tool in digital communication. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common yet important term in our digital world, mailing list. Whether you're in a business setting or just organizing a community event, understanding what a mailing list is and how it works can be incredibly useful. Let's unravel this together. A mailing list is a collection of email addresses used to send information to multiple recipients. It's like a group chat, but for emails. When someone sends an email to the mailing list's email address, it automatically goes to everyone on the list. This is a great tool for sharing news, updates, or anything important with a large group of people at once. There are generally two types of mailing lists. 1. Announcement lists. These are one-way communications where only the owner or authorized senders can send emails to everyone on the list. 2. Discussion lists. Here, any member can send and receive messages. It's like a group discussion, but over email. Using a mailing list is simple. 1. Joining. You usually subscribe by sending an email or filling out a form on a website. 2. Participating. Once you're a member, you can receive and possibly send emails, depending on the type of list. 3. Unsubscribing. If you no longer wish to receive emails, you can easily unsubscribe, usually by clicking a link at the bottom of the email. Mailing lists are great for efficient communication. Send one email, reach many people. Organization. Keep everyone informed without the hassle of individual emails. Community building. Connect people with common interests or goals. Mailing lists are a powerful tool in our digital toolbox, helping us communicate efficiently and effectively with groups large or small. Whether you're sharing a newsletter, organizing an event, or leading a discussion, a mailing list can make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you harness the power of mailing lists in your own endeavors.